What's up, trader? Welcome to live NFP trading session known from employment change. Today there is a news coming up, high impact news. Welcome to the live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy to cover that high impact news. There is incredible trading opportunity coming up just after the news announcement. So this live stream is going to be extremely valuable from Forex Trading Wizard Academy, like every day we do. Today is weekend. At the same time, you know that the market is highly volatile, so we are going to start a very hot session today. Extremely volatile the market is, and we want to we like every day we do. As you can see on Eurocad is dropping now, is still dropping. We started yesterday. Now before I begin this hot session, the only thing I want you to do, give a big thumbs up, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Now if you're new to the channel, I will request you to stick till the end. If you don't know me, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I'm the founder of Forex Trading Wizard Academy and CEO of this greatest academy you will ever find in this industry. So let's first quickly review the trade that we left open in this live session yesterday. If you have joined me yesterday, you remember that I started the session with this trade, and which is now hitting the profit target as soon as I have started the session. See what is the synchronicity? This is the magic of Forex Wizard. When this candle was forming, okay, this one was forming, what did I say? That Forex Wizard shows his magic in live. When this candle, let me replay that, so that because we are just need to analyze what has worked out so that you can learn in live session. When this candle was forming, what did I say? That this candle will drop to the downside, and look at this, what happened now. You see that up down, and finally this price now coming down to hit the profit target. How did I saw this so many candles before they are forming? And that is what I exactly want to say every day. The real trader are those who can see the pattern and candle they are forming. And there is a uniqueness in this academy that you will find every day, is that the only academy you will find here which trade the candles, not the structure. In most places you see the trader trade the structure. You will give big gap, there's a lot of zigzag, but the forex trader only, Forex Wizard only the one who trade the candle, who can say that the next one will happen like this. So anyway, I also get wrong. I'm not saying that every time I'm right, then you will make the biggest mistake in your life if you keep too much trust on me. What I want you to trust on yourself, learn from the best place, okay, and then become independent, profitable, professional trader. And that is the goal of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now if you are a lifetime member of this academy, you will be there forever, because this academy is created to create trader. There is a really a bad impression about forex trading, that the trader fail 95% trader fail. And the dream of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy is to create trader who will not fail but become a successful, profitable trader. So with that being said, let's begin today's NFP. As you can see that today NFP coming just up after, let's see the new calendar, NFP coming in just less than 7 minutes. Okay, USD CAD is my main target, and let's first begin with USD CAD. Now Euro CAD, you see that the price is almost hitting the profit target. If you didn't close it, now close the trade with how many pip profit on this one? Around 45 pip profit. If you are still running the trade, I would suggest you to close it now, because it either may go to hit you full profit target, or it may go the other direction and hit you stop loss. So the news is coming. We already closed in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy in our VIP group, because I opened that trade also in the live session. If you are in YouTube live, then probably you are still running, so you can close the trade if you want. I'll suggest you, or move your stop loss here. In that case, you might even lose all the profit that you had. So with that being said, let's begin first with USD pairs such as gold and USD CAD. Okay, now USD CAD, let me tell you what I think what is likely to happen, and we might even open a trade if possible in this live session or after the news announcement in the live session. First, USD CAD, guys and girls, let me look at the monthly. You see that this is the monthly candle on USD CAD, and there is a big bullish candle form on the previous months. This month the price, as soon as market open, has a drop, which is normal. What I'm thinking that USD CAD might do today in this NFP, it might just poke the top of the monthly candle, create something like that, and then could come back down again. So with that in mind, let's look at the weekly. Now, weekly perspective, this is a long-term bullish market. You can see that, and the price retraced significantly, 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is exactly where the weekly rejection happened. Let's draw a level in this zone on USD CAD, and you can see that the price retraced and then rejected to the upside. Now, this is a long-term bullish market. What I think that this is the weekend, right? That means this weekly candle is going to close today. So what I think, this weekly candle might be closing as a doji, something like that. Okay, here or here, something like that. So to make it happen, that means that over the week, you see that, let me zoom in, then you will know what I am trying to tell. You see that weekly time frame, there is, as soon as that candle opened, the beginning of the week, we saw a drop. Now in this big long bullish market, the price still didn't test this high, so there is high probability now to have a spike to the upside on USD CAD to test that zone. That can give us almost, if we can catch it even from here, it is almost 116 pip move might happen on USD CAD. Now on the daily, this is a bullish market. You can see back to back 2 days. Now the price is coming down, which is very good. We need it. And what I'm expecting during this news announcement, when the price will come down on the lower time frame, if I see suitable entry, I will be opening this trade, and also I will send to the VIP students. Now if you are in this YouTube live session, I will share it with you. Okay, when I am not in live session, I send to the VIP Telegram group and the website, who are our students learning our strategy. Now after 4 minutes, the news is coming up. Let's shortlist USD CAD, US30, NAS100, gold, some of the hottest pair, GBP, JPY, Gbpusd. Now let me tell you what I think USD CAD might do. USD CAD for me might come back down here. You see that 4-hour time frame could test this 20 period moving average and then could continue to rise. Okay, so this zone, let me tell you, on the daily time frame perspective, you see that this is the red candle here. What I think, on the daily perspective, the price might come back to test this zone. Let's draw a gray area on this one. Now on the 4-hour perspective, we see this zone is where there is a previous resistance here, and also there is a 20 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame. What I'm expecting on USD CAD, you see now pushing high to come back down and then to go up, create a bullish price action. So the price is little bit now getting a little bit of volatile. Okay, so let's see what happened. You see there is a red candle on the hourly. This also could be a zone for buying. Let's see. We'll keep eye all on this zone on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you see now the spike is happening. So it could be even, this could be the candle for pushing high, because on USD CAD we see a double bottom already has been formed and the price tested the zone. But what I want, a spike to the down like that. Okay, that could give us a really nice looking buying opportunity on USD CAD. So let's find out first what's happening Okay, let's go back to 4 hour where I can see the trade better on the higher time frame than lower time frame. So let's wait for this price to come to the zone, and then we'll look at how we can trade USD CAD. 2 minutes remaining. In the meantime, guys and girls, let me look at the chat. Wow, everyone is excited. Thank you very much. Warsama, Mr. Hi, Mr. Good afternoon. Thank you very much, Warsama. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi there. Thank you very much. Kakulan, hello. Nicholas, hello. Kunal, thank you very much. We are here. Awesome. Young Eurosd. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. Hi, Coach Adele. I took profit on that trade too. Thank you very much, George. Awesome. Very good. Thank you very much. That's the goal of this forex trading wizard academy. Help the trader to make profit. Okay. There was a time when I struggled for profit, and I understand what you need. Hi, Coach. Thank you very much. Please update. Good afternoon from Nigeria. Thank you very much. Imran, hello, sir. Chidito, hello, Wizard. Thank you very much, everybody. So let's see now what's happening with USD CAD. This is the 4-hour time frame, and we see the candle is pushing high. What I'm expecting is spike down first. Okay, that would be really awesome if we see. Okay, we see first a spike up. Okay, biggest spike news release. Let's look at first news. What's happening? Okay, we see that pardon me, we see news released. Okay, still data is not there, so you know. Okay, what happened? CAD is positive, this one is little bit, this one positive. Okay, unemployment. Okay, USD, all right. Okay, USD is very, so this one non-farm employment change is very positive, so dollar might get stronger, which is expected. Unemployment rate is forecast 3 point, so it's also positive, less unemployment, so dollar getting stronger. Okay, dollar likely to get stronger, but what I'm expecting now is to have some spike down first. Okay, so for me this could be a good candle for buying USD CAD, but not now. So for me, guys, dollar getting stronger could be, so far dollar is stronger. Okay, bullish. Now for the data came with news is also in favor of dollar. Okay, so for me, let me look at British pound US dollar. Okay, so we see that British pound US dollar also coming pushing down. That means that let me look at euro dollar, all of them. Let's see the short list data. Come on, don't do that. Looks like internet doing a little bit of issue. Don't do that. Hopefully, guys, you can see me and can hear me properly. Okay, let's look at gold as well. We saw the drop on gold as expected. Okay, USD CAD has a push. Okay, so quickly looking at US30 X, yeah, has a strong bearish engulfer, guys. Still not closed. Okay, looks like dollar getting very stronger as expected, and we'll open a trade as soon as the news will finish, guys. GJ from this 20 EMA we saw a rejection. GBP JPY the same way as expected. Euro dollar, all of them. Okay, so USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD pushing high. So let me look at the 15 minutes now to see in fact what's happening. So what I am expecting now, before closing candle, we will have two 15 minutes candle. All right, so this one, if this one is closing as a bullish on USD CAD, what I'll be expecting the next one to come, have a spike down and then go up, or even this one. Okay, Okay, so gold had a big drop down. That's awesome. So we still could see some up and down. Will not open now any trade. Will open as soon as the news will be finishing. Okay, so all of them. GJ a little bit of less volatile because normally NFP mainly impact the dollar pairs. So yeah, I'll be more interested on dollar CAD because the news is together coming with dollar CAD. Okay, and also gold. Okay, for me gold is a reversal here. Okay, now the only thing is that we have to wait for a spike. If it creates that spike, that's awesome. Okay, for me gold is bearish. Okay, I'm bearish on gold and I think that it will continue to drop as this is a long-term bearish market. So yeah, all of them are highly bearish. Let's look at all the USD pairs including Aussie dollar. Right, so Aussie dollar, USD CHF, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen also creating a bullish price action, guys. If you look at daily on dollar yen, yeah, bullish. Okay, we even could see possibly a bigger move on dollar yen because dollar yen was consolidating for a very long time. So we might see spike, big spike on dollar yen. If you look at the weekly, we see the dollar yen was trying to break out. Okay, it's now above all this weekly level of resistance. If you draw this weekly resistance with all this week, you see that dollar yen is above all this level of resistance. That means that we could potentially see a spike on dollar yen, and I'll be more interested to buy dollar yen because dollar yen is always bullish long term. Let's shortlist again, guys. USD CAD, I want it to come down a little further so that you can buy. Okay, US30, you see that this price action is creating a bearish move. This is a long-term bearish market. You can see it has created a head and shoulder. So now this current one is still not closed, but it's looked like that it is creating a bearish engulfer with this resistance. Okay, so bearish engulfer with this resistance is a high probability short setup on US30, and I think the NAS100 doing the same thing. You know, grab liquidity from here, created as a bearish engulfer. So for NASDAQ, I'll give you a level where we can sell for not now. Before I stream, I will advise all of them how we can trade them, guys. Because just be patient. Let the volatility a little bit of drops. It's too much up and down now. And once you see all of them, we'll see how we can trade it. So in the last 15 minutes we could see some up and down spike, and that's what I'm waiting for. You see British pound US dollar, nice looking reversal from here, retracement, drop, retracement. Now it is dropping, so that could be something like that, downtrend, right? First let the price settle and then we'll see. So this half an hour for NFP is very important. Okay, let me look at the chat highlights the pairs we would looking at. Yeah, Ibrahim, hello sir, thank you very much. We have highlighted. Hello sir, good morning sir, thank you very much. Good evening. Update of EuroCAD. Yeah, EuroCAD we closed with good profit, as you can see. Let's keep it on the list as well, and that we opened yesterday. If you haven't closed, it should hit the full profit target. You see that EuroCAD. So you opened here, we closed earlier because of the news, but if you didn't close it anyway, it hit the full profit target that we opened yesterday. You remember that? Okay, so just in this news time, let me show you the result, because this is weekend. So this is the real result that we can show. So this is our private Telegram group in our Forex Trading User Academy. This week, single week, we gain 8.8% return in this single week. Okay, these all the trades that we have opened and closed. You can see them. So we opened 17 trade in our VIP channel, VIP private group. Almost, I think 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 winning, 1 break even, and total 8.8% winning rate. And this is the whole month in this YouTube live session. This is the result. Only trade opens in this YouTube live session in this whole month. And gold winner, euro dollar winner, NZD USD winner. We lost 2 trade, one in EuroCAD, one in gold during the news. USD CHF winner, AUD CAD, EuroCAD, and USD CNHS, all of them are winner. And we gained 4.5% in the last 1 month in this YouTube live session. So this is our private result this week only, and this is our result on the YouTube live in this Forex Trading User Academy. If you want to learn my strategies to secure trade like that, to become a professional independent trader, and also trade with me like this profitable trade, you can find a link in the description area. This is the best opportunity you will ever find. I will suggest you to join the lifetime access plan, so that you have all the trading tools, all the strategies, so that you can predict the market like that we did yesterday, and also learn our strategies and become an independent trader. So let's jump on to the USD pairs again. Let's see what's happening. Gold. Okay, so hopefully we'll open trade after the news settles, so which is after 20 minutes the candle will close, and then I'll look at if we have anything to open position on all of them. So looks to me that dollar getting stronger, guys. US30 giving us bearish engulfer in the zone. So NASDAQ 100, gold. Okay, gold bearish, GJ coming down bearish. If we look at the daily, it's look like a bearish price action. And British pound US dollar, yeah, that's creating a bearish engulfer. Euro dollar highly bearish. Okay, so it's a long-term bearish. Now it has created, you see that it has created a head and shoulder with this one as well. That's a high probability bearish setup. Aussie dollar, this is weekend, and we see that Aussie dollar also has created a nice looking bearish price action, up and down, and finally this candle is absolutely a bearish candle. Dollar yen strongly bullish. You can see that it's a very long bullish candle is being created. If we look at the monthly, okay, this is the monthly candle. I think the dollar yen will be a very good pair, because it was consolidating for a very long time. The way price action form, it's extremely bullish. Okay, let me see if we can open a dollar yen trade now. Okay, so we should wait until the candle close, okay, because it's a very high impact news. I will say that dollar yen will be the best trade in all of them. Okay, it's a highly bullish. You see that because it might do a lot of up and down, that is why I'm not just opening now. So let me do full analysis on dollar yen. Look at the monthly. Okay, see this market what I think that dollar yen, we could see a spike, okay, to the upside. Now, if you look at bigger picture on dollar yen, this is a long-term bull market, guys. Don't make a mistake of selling in this market. Okay, I never sell in this kind of market. It's a long-term bull market. You see, every month the price was creating series of higher high and higher low, right? And then if you go to the weekly chart, see, there is quite a few weeks dodgy. Previous week this candle, this week came down to this level, penetrated, and then now the price is above all these weekly resistance level, guys. Okay, daily time frame, the price created a nice looking bullish price action. Today we have seen significant drop to the downside. Now it is creating this bullish engulfer on dollar yen. So you want to buy now or you want to wait for NFP? Let me know, what do you think? Sometimes I can't make decision alone. It happens sometimes. I feel like buying dollar yen. Let me look at. Okay, so I think we can open a buy position on dollar yen. Okay, let's buy position on dollar yen. We'll be buying from here, a stop loss just below this very bullish engulfer. I'm gonna send the same trade signal to our students. Also, I'm opening a position buy at 145.178, stop loss at 144.638, TP at, we'll take on this one, we'll target 3 times profit. Okay, we'll keep running over the weekend. All right, so we'll take target 3 times profit on this one, TP at 146.764. okay, so we'll open a position on dollar yen. Okay, how many pips stop loss we have on this is 53 pip. Now this is only for educational purpose. As I told you, anything can happen in trading anytime. Okay, this price could reverse as news time. Anytime we could see reversal and hit it stop loss. So anyone opening any position must manage their risk. Okay, it's very important that you manage your risk. So we are up in a couple of pips. Now let me look at my trend following strategy indicator, what it's saying about dollar yen. We see a buy signal according to the rules of our trend following strategy on dollar yen here. Okay, this is not in following our rule. This one is only this trade, and this trade is, you know, is according to the rules of our strategy. That's why you need to learn the rules of our strategy to double check with the indicator. We see that a buy signal here, so we target 3 times on dollar yen. Okay, guys, so yeah, and anyone, as I told you, this is only for educational purpose. Anything can happen in trading. So I also send the same trade to our VIP students, in addition to all the trade signals that we send to our VIP students. You can see the dollar yen trade I have sent to the VIP students who are trading with us in our forex trading wizard trading academy, in this best trading education pardon me, you'll find ever. Okay guys, so if you want to learn my strategies, how I predict the market in this way, I will suggest you to join our lifetime access plan, the link in the description area. At the same time, guys, if you are looking for sorry, I don't know, I'm having some cough inside. If you're looking for a trusted broker, okay, as you know, you need a broker. You can find a link in the description area. You can join Ever Trade. So they're supporting forex trading wizard academy. They are regulated, trusted broker. You can use them, and you can have exclusive bonus if you use that link. So let's look at gold. Now the gold is doing the same thing. So we are on dollar yen. We will not, you know, double up too many trades in one pair. So dollar yen, I see quite a few bullish confluence. You see there's an inverted head and shoulder. Now this one is going to be a bullish engulfer. Okay, that's a huge bullish setup. and we'll keep that trade running over the weekend until we'll keep running until 3 times profit target hit or come back down and hit stop loss. Doesn't matter. We manage our risk. This is, we teach our students to learn proper risk management. So yeah, dollar yen, we open the trade and let's see what happened. Okay, let's look at other pairs now. Gold has a massive drop now, creating a head and shoulder in this zone, has a big drop, and I think that that's a starting of a big drop on gold. As I predicted in all my analysis, you have seen that after this doji we have seen a big drop on gold is happening, and I think that it will happen. Okay, so news has been released, everything is perfect. Okay, we see GBP USD, everything is so basically dollar is bullish. We saw a very strong movement on dollar, guys, and as a result we bought dollar yen at 16145.16. now we are in good around Logan means a 10p profit. That's good for us. Now at the same time we see gold is having a drop, so same thing, dollar getting stronger means gold is coming down, and that is what I expected all the time. You have seen in all my analysis. Okay, so yeah, dollar yen, gold, they are pushing high. Now the reason I opened dollar yen, I already explained to you. Dollar yen is a long-term bullish market, guys, and as you can see there's a multiple time liquidity gap. And also if you following me for some time, you definitely have seen, this is what I mentioned, that in dollar yen that the price will come to test this trend line. It did exactly. Support here, acting here as a resistance, acting here as a support, which is, you know, perfectly tested this neckline. Previous support here, this resistance tested as support. So confluence is perfect. This is the resistance. You can see this dotted line is the weekly resistance level. What I think that after closing of this candle we could potentially see some backdrop, but if this candle remain respected until the weekend closer, we can catch this big trade. If we hold the trade, as we could potentially see as big spike to the upside on all those pairs. So dollar getting very stronger, you know, the gold is getting weaker, as you can see. As a result we see melting, and yeah, let's keep it running, guys. Hopefully you are enjoying. I need a big thumbs up, guys. How many thumbs up you have given? I need more. Smash the like button now. Okay, big thumbs up. We opened the trade on dollar yen, and in this YouTube live, Eurocad has a big drop as expected. Dollar yen going up with a bullish engulfer in this important level, and later we could, after the candle close, we could potentially see again coming back down here. Okay, it might test this neckline. Okay, guys, so you have to be patient with the trade. Anything can happen in trading. Now this price action, you see that it's an inverted head and shoulder has been created. Okay, now if it comes to test this one here, then we are unlucky, we could be stopped out. So we need to keep that running, all right, until we see what's happening. All right, so gold also has dropped, you know, drastically. Nasdaq, US30, all of them is pushing down. Okay, GJ bearish. Okay, bearish. So Gbpusd, GBP, JPY, GBP is very weaker. Okay, but okay, we see some spike down again. As I mentioned, it happens in trading, but what I'm expecting it to respect the resistance level. Okay, we opened during that news announcement. It's a bit risky trade, aggressive trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. I'm a bit aggressive trader. So last 5 minutes could be very dramatic. Let's see what happened. So according to the result of this coming up is in favor of USD. Let's look at what's happening with the USD CAD. Okay, CAD, dollar CAD also has given us a bullish price action. It's a bullish engulfer is being formed on dollar CAD. Okay, dollar yen again pushed up. So we are expecting this candle to close as a bullish engulfer. That's it. So the price is where we have opened our position, exactly where, and yeah, I'm expecting it to be as a bullish engulfer, and that is what my entry is. So last 5 minutes could be little bit of sneaky, guys. So if you didn't manage your risk, close it immediately. Okay, last 5 minutes the price may go up and down, even it could come hit the stop loss. I'm warning you, if anyone didn't manage the risk, just randomly bought couple of lots just to make money overnight, then you might blow your account. And this trade is only for educational purpose. Big disclaimer, it's only to help you to learn trading, to show you how we trade professionally, how we manage the risk, and how we trade. As I told you, the last 5 minutes could be very, very volatile. So if you didn't manage the risk, then close the trade right now, okay, and wait for the candle close. And if you manage the risk 1% or little, then you can hold the trade, see what happened. If this one closes as a bullish engulfer, I strongly believe that dollar yen will continue to go up. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame. Why I think it will go up? Let me do a full analysis on dollar yen trade, why I have opened this trade. Now we have a specific strategy, and also we have an indicator. You see that my indicator, this is the one that developed in our forex trading wizard academy. Anyone in our academy lifetime member will have this indicator accessible in their trading view platform, and we are developing for MT4 as well, will come soon. So this is our trend following strategy. This indicator is according to our trend following strategy. So we translated into script. So if you are our lifetime member, if you want to join, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website to learn trading and to become an independent professional trader, which is the main goal of forex trading wizard academy, established to create traders. So now let me tell you why I think dollar yen will go up and what's the strategy. I may not be able to fully disclose the strategy, but let me tell you the reason. Starting with monthly, we see the dollar yen in fact is a bullish market. As I told you, I could be wrong at any point, but to me, on the monthly perspective, if you look closely, you see the dollar yen basically a very, very strongly bullish market. Okay, so this is a every month the price was creating series of higher high and higher low, strongly bullish market. Weekly perspective, we see that basically for me, if you know, the most important chart for me is weekly on dollar yen. Now okay, let me delete this one. Okay, so the most important chart for me in dollar yen is weekly chart. Why? Because you see that big bullish candle followed by this doji. Now even this weekly candle closes as a doji like that, okay, that could be a big possibility for going up next to it. Okay, the reason is you see a big move like that, and look at the dojis here on the weekly. Okay, they are basically huge liquidity grab here as well. It has a huge momentum, followed by this week bullish engulfer previous week. Now this week the price came down here, and we see that a candle creating, which is a kind of, you know, a pin bar or a doji. So a bullish candle like that followed by a doji, it's a sign of bullish move. Now if you draw a resistance level on the weekly perspective, you see this on this weekly top, the price is above this weekly level. Still it didn't close, but what we see if we look at the daily time frame, we see that the price basically, our stop loss below the daily low, if we are unlucky, that should be respected. Now we see on the daily there's a big move followed by this daily candle is a doji. Now on the 4-hour perspective, this is the candle which is closing, which is to me closing as a bullish candle. Now came down a little bit, what I'm expecting it to in 32 seconds it's closing. Okay, now it is not impossible to see that it's coming back down again, hitting our stop loss and going up. It happens in trading, but let's see what happened. Okay, for me, okay, it's going up a little bit, that's good. Okay, I want it to close as a bullish candle. Okay guys, so good movement in. Okay, so you see very strong bullish candle as expected. All right, so let's look at the pairs USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD also given a bullish candle. For me, it's a bullish candle. It might come down and have some downward move to grab liquidity. But let's keep it considering that it will respect. Okay. So all those pairs to me, now USD has given, USD got stronger. Okay, so what I would say that now the price has created a very strong bullish price action, but as I told you, anything can happen in trading. So let's see, let's keep stay positive and see what happened. Yeah, it created a higher high. That's good. Okay guys, so let's look at, for me all are bullish. Okay, let me look at the chat guys, what you are thinking, you guys and girls. Okay, so gold sir, yeah, euro dollar, yeah, gold forecast, thank you, good day coach, thank you very much. Hi sir, gold next level, USD CAD please, euro GBP, yeah, dollar yen target, SL and TP, it's already here. So SL at 144.64 and TP is at 146.76. I want to take at least 3 times profit on this trade. If it works out well, I will hold the trade until it gives me the full profit, because it's an NFP trade. If it goes in the direction, it should go a lot. Okay, and because you see that monthly it's a long-term bullish, and we should see a bigger move on this one, and I will be holding the trade until anything happens, either hit my stop loss or hit my profit target. Okay, so to me it's a long-term bullish market. So yeah, the price has created a nice looking all of them. So British pound US dollar has given us a bearish engulfer, this one bearish. Okay, for me it's absolutely a bearish price action. So let me look at this one here. I have 5 people's account. So consider it here with 100%. It's going to be a good move. Okay. Love scalping. Sometime I do that. Okay. So I opened the scalp position. So if you wanna, okay guys, one announcement, very important, I forgot to tell you. There is a scalping strategy coming on Forex Trading User Academy. I just opened a scalping trade because I didn't tell you on this one. Sometimes I love to scalp in this kind of market. So there is a scalping strategy coming on Forex Trading User Academy. Okay, so this is a huge scalping strategy. Okay, anyone in our lifetime membership plan so far will be able to access that scalping strategy. Okay, I was working on it almost more than a year. It's fully finalized. I did a lot of back testing because scalping is really not for everyone, to be honest. Now some people, I'm to be honest, I'm a swing trader because, but I love scalping. Okay, I have a very good scalping skill, but I don't disclose it in public because scalping is, to be honest, is dangerous for some cases. Okay, now some people are born as a scalper, so that is why I try to find in my students who has the scalping ability. Only for those this strategy, I will not give directly to the student. Okay, first I need to see if you are fit for the scalping. That is why this strategy will come with a screening. Okay, so you will not have access directly to the strategy in the first phase. The first phase is I'll test you. So the strategy is designed to first screen you, either you are a scalper or no. So it through the screening you will understand that you are a scalper or no. So once you know that you are a scalper, okay, you will be able to have the strategy. Okay, so I open a scalping trade. Once it will get me the profit, I will show you in the camera, so you'll know that actually in a minute how much I make using the scalping. Now in the YouTube live, it's not possible to open a scalping together because the scalping trade open in a very fractional time. Okay, and when I scalp, always use a smaller account. I use a very smaller account for scalping because I normally use mental stop loss in my scalping. Now let me give you the real-time result of my scalping strategy that tested. Okay, so if you can see, let me show you. Okay, this is the real result, the real camera. You can see that. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see me or no. So okay, now I can see on the camera. You see all those results. So all that we need. Now, if you want to have access to that strategy, once this scalping strategy will be included, the lifetime price probably I have to increase because there is a lot of effort is given. But if you join now, before integrating the scalping strategy fully in the academy, you still can have access to that strategy with same amount of price that currently going on the discount. Okay, so just to assure you that this is what I have shown you is the one that we are talking about. You have seen that. So let me repeat again. This is the weekly. This week's with, because I use a smaller account with $2,000 account, this scalping strategy has given me 1400 in this week. So yeah, that's just because I was testing this for a long time, so I just kept it on. And if you want to have that strategy, as I mentioned, join forex trading user academy. This academy is created to create trader. Now you have seen my strategy on Eurocad yesterday. What happened? You saw that when this candle formed, and you see everything on your eyes. But I will tell you that don't lose money. Okay, join academy. Cheap, the lowest price possible, best education possible, all the trading tools, everything will be there. And once you are in this academy, you will be here for the rest of your life. You will have access to everything. Okay, so let's look at now dollar yen trade that we have opened. What I think that hopefully that it will work out well. Okay, you're expecting it to work out well. So let me look at the daily on the GBP USD now. Okay, let me look at all of them. Yeah, where should you put the SL? So I think I have given everything SL. So the SL for dollar yen below the daily level, that means at 144.63, okay, and TP at 146.76, which is 3 times, and then euro stop loss. So if the intention behind this trade is, if it worked out, if it breaks out to the upside, then it should go there to hit our profit target. If it goes wrong, then we are wrong and we could have a stop loss hit. Okay, nothing can do about it. But if we are right on this one, we should be going along this line. Okay, along this line it should go to hit the profit target. Okay, let's see on the hourly chart. Okay, so this doji is, the price might even come to this level here, okay, to test this zone. So as I told you, that's why you always need to manage your risk. Okay, this is the hourly doji that has formed, which has a huge liquidity. Now over this period of time, even after the weekend, the price may come to visit this area. Okay, may come. Okay, if we are unlucky, it might come even down and hit the stop loss. So that is why we need to manage the risk all the time. Okay, so we have seen some upward movement on gold. That is good. Okay, so pushing high. Okay, if it goes wrong, then you're wrong. Could happen. For me, it's still bullish. Okay, we still have the daily low is our where the daily low, quite a few pips stop loss. How many pips? Almost 38 pips stop loss on this one. Okay, so I strongly believe that it will go up finally, including the British pound US dollar. For me, all those pairs is bearish. So is there anything else? So yeah, you all the news is released, so the market is settled now. But the next thing is, so what I think dollar yen could do, you see that it is already creating a kind of inverted head and shoulder. Inside inverted head and shoulder there is another inverted head and shoulder in this time also. So basically dollar yen has multiple times liquidity gap. Okay, one is here, big liquidity, there is one here. So every time the price was creating series of higher lows, so all this confluence in our favor. Okay, in from the technical point of view, we are 100% right. Okay, this is the best trade you will ever find. If it doesn't work out, doesn't work out, but what I strongly believe that it should work out well. Okay, now for gold is doing the same thing. What I think that is candle after closing of this candle, we might see after, even this candle could close something like that and the next one could come down. Okay, like the GJ has created a very long bearish engulfer. Okay, see that this bearish engulfer is basically a very strong bearish candle in the downtrending market. It has crossed the high, okay, and also crossed the low. So and then we should see the next one is coming down. So this one also a high probability bearish setup. So for me dollar is bullish. Okay, Gbpusd, Gbp, gold, all of them. So gold also bearish to me. If we look at the US30 and NAS100, which is going to close, there also looks to me created a bearish price action. So if we look at British pound US dollar on the lower time frame, okay guys, let me know what you are thinking in the chat. Gold may be going up, so it's good for us. When it is going up means it will come back down again, so could give us some selling opportunity. So like the GBP USD. For me, all of them. See, GBP USD on the daily. For me, this price action is, there is no way to go up from here. Could create a daily doji. That in that case, if you look at the weekly on GBP USD, you see that in case even British pound US dollar closed like that as a doji, okay, in the opening it should continue to drop, okay, at least should have a big drop. So that means that from that perspective we can say that bullish. Okay, now on the dollar yen side, which is the same thing, okay, yen is long term bearish, dollar is always stronger. From that perspective, and this price action on dollar yen is absolutely bullish. You see that if you draw this trend line, see there is a nice looking bullish price action. The price was respecting. If you draw fully with this one, then you see that basically all the confluences is in the favor for the bulls on dollar yen. Now GJ also has created a very strong bearish price action, like with the GBP JPY and GBP USD. Okay, let me look at the chat. Gold, okay, gold buy for me. Look, gold, sir, I'm always proud to know you being in the channel. I started making profit for following your rules and strategy. Thank you very much. No problem, Hussein. Thank you very much for mentioning that. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Dollar yen becoming doji. That's true. Euro dollar. Someone type channel signal. I just came. Thank you very much. NFP quick take. No pain, no profit. No stocks. Yeah. Hello, sir, from India. Thank you very much. UJ gonna fly at US Open. Hopefully, yeah. Which forex broker is the best for Indian traders, sir? So you can join. As I mentioned, there is a link in the description area. You can join EverTrade. Okay, so they are trusted, regulated. Okay, tight spread, zero commission, and they are supporting Forex Trading Wizard Academy also. So they are globally regulated. If you use my link, you can get exclusive discount, and you are supporting the Forex Trading Wizard Academy as a part of your trading education. So if you open an account with them, deposit as minimum as 100 or more, whatever you want to start, and that will be really helpful for us. They are supporting us, so we need to help them as well. Is it possible for retrace then sell again dollar pair? Okay, how to know if you are a scalper? Please watching from Cameroon. Very good. I have shown you that I was scalping. Okay, probably you have seen that, right? You have seen that, isn't it? You have seen that, and yeah, I've shown you the result of this week. So it's a separate strategy. Okay, there is a lot of things. So if you join us, you will find all of them. Now you can use the live chat in the website. go to the website, use the live chat, ask the agent. They will be able to help you if you have any question. If you want to ask any specific question to anyone. How to if you can see isn't clear, sir. You made my day with NZD USD trade. You simply great. Can you please analyze the trade that for us? Okay, so early today we also closed a trade on NZD USD. Was talking about Charlie. Okay, Charlie, let me quickly give him an analysis on NZD USD trade that early today we closed on VIP forex trading wizard academy. Where is this NZD USD? Okay, NZD USD. Okay, this is the trade. You see that as soon as market open, if you are trading from USA, from anywhere, you should be able to definitely you have to close the trade with profit. Okay, let me show you the trade that early we posted. As I mentioned, that we always trading with good profit in this forex trading wizard academy. So this is the trade. You see that NZD USD we sold at 0.5656, stop loss this, take profit this one, 18 pip only stop loss, and we took full profit target hit on this one. So now let me explain why I have posted this trade to our students, and also I have traded. You see that NZD USD, when this candle formed, see, this is what I look at when I trade. Let me tell you clearly. Okay, so this is the real education you learn from here. So look, this is the strongly falling market. Okay, NZD USD, you can see that this is a big strongly falling market. Now when this candle formed, okay, on NZD USD, this one is a strongly bearish candle. Okay, this candle after this big drop, okay, you see this is a big drop happened, and with that big drop what we have seen a candle form which is a very strong bearish engulfer. Now this candle has a look at the top of this candle. Okay, we see that this top of this candle there is a resistance here. Okay, this resistance has been broken to the upside, all right, and then this red bearish engulfer has been formed. So when this candle formed, okay, I know that this instrument will come down, but I didn't send immediately entry order. The reason I'm explaining so that you can copy the system. Okay, you can do the same thing that I'm doing so that you can make money like forex wizard is doing every day. Okay, so now what you see that there is a doji here. Okay, so I placed the pending order here. Okay, on that, exactly on that there is a doji, because I know that the price is going up to test this doji. Okay, putting my stop loss above this high, and I took the profit exactly what the risk is so that we do not delay, and it happened in the next session. The price came down, hit the profit target. Still this trade is running in profit, but we took the profit out of the table because NFP coming. I know that this might get a little bit of tricky, so we took that one out of the table. Okay, all right, so let me look at now the chat. Okay, with new open 2000 profit 14 so far. Wow, great job. Yeah, Daniel. So let me, you said that you didn't see that, so let me show you the whole week. Okay, what is that? Internet is, so some of you said that you didn't look at it. So normally I use very smaller account for scalping. Okay, because scalping I normally do not use what I call I use only mental stop loss. Okay, so this probably you didn't see that. Now you can see that. Thank you very much. So now let's look at the chat. Sir, thank you. What do you think about Gbpusd? Please, yeah, look. Gbpusd to me is bearish. Okay, to me, you see that there is a bearish engulfer form. I think that from here we could potentially see a drastic move to the downside, because long-term trend is bearish. The price has created from here. We have seen that there is a long doji has been formed, followed by big drop correction, big drop correction. Now we can expect, so what I think that this price should continue to, you know, a fall in this direction, and that is what I'm expecting on Gbpusd. I missed hope to catch next week. No problems. Thank you very much. Euro dollar come down. Yeah, euro dollar, to me, euro dollar, British pound, US dollar, dollar yen will go up. That's what I think. I could be wrong, as I mentioned. I think that Gbpusd will go down. It's bearish. Yeah, for me also it's bearish. US30. Okay, US30 we discussed. Let me look at it again. For me, let me look at US30. Okay, US30. This candle is going to close as a bearish engulfer. After closing of this candle, what I think that the price might test this zone and then could continue to drop. Okay, for me, US30 also bearish. Okay, Eva is not in NZ. Yeah, Eva is not only in NZ, Iran and US are not available. I started following you from 1 week. I think it's very good. Take care for making video like this. Thank you very much, Rama. Yeah, I know that for those who are following me for some time, you know, I do from my heart. Okay, so Wes, he's our new VIP member. He's a new trader. He asked a very good question. Coach, you were talking about the scalping. What attribute do you think distinguishes a scalper from a swing trader? So it's all about the distinguishes is all about your the best example will be a marathon runner and a sprinter. Okay, so if you can find a difference between a marathon runner and a sprinter, I don't have to explain anymore the swing trader and the scalping. Okay, but in the beginning, I will advise you, new trader, don't think of scalping. Okay, it's not easy. All right, I'm not saying that you can't do it. I'm not saying, but what I'm saying that first learn, gain experience, and then go for what you want to go. You see that, look, some people like me, to be honest, I'm born as a like that, as a trader. I'm born as a trader. You know, when I was at age of 15 years, okay, I drawn to gambling. Okay, I am not afraid to tell that, and I was abused because of this. That's the basically the quality, okay, I had. And we are trader is basically gambler. It's nothing negative. I'll tell you, I will explain what I'm talking about, like gambler or whatever, what I'm talking about, I will explain. In fact, see, there is a term, there is a famous psychiatrist, his name is Carl Jung. Okay, he is a historically a great hero. Okay, Carl Jung says that let's say we talk about a leader, right? Leader, who is leader? Is an archetype. Okay, we all are human, but inside us there is another human is living. So a leader, okay, is an archetype. So when you see, right, when you see that a leader is an archetype, when you see a magician or musician is an archetype. Okay, so a trader is an archetype. Okay, so they share the gambling and trading, basically we share the same characteristics. So what is a trading mentality or trader's mentality? Risk taker, firstly. Okay, this is the first quality a trader share with gambler. Same thing, risk taker. We are risk taker, but wise risk taker, not like taking a risk and losing everything. So that's the attributes that I had when I was young, that I was drawn to gambling. So what is the difference between a trader and general people, let me tell you what is trading. No one will give you this precious education. I'm telling you. See, there is a scientist called Schrodinger. For those who studied physics, you know that his name is Schrodinger. The Schrodinger has a theory. He says that he's a quantum physicist. Let's say a box, okay? If you put a cat inside the box, all right, nice story, listen. It's like a human looking like him, because I don't know how to draw a cat properly. But let's say a cat inside a box, okay? And look like a pig, but anyway, let's like a cat inside a box, and you put an atom bomb in it, or any maybe smaller bomb, and you close the lid of the box. It's a full, not transparent box, a full box, right? Now if you ask a general person, a normal people, that what is likely to, what's gonna happen, like, or not a bomb, let's say radioactive, that is not good for the cat. Now if you ask a general people that what is gonna happen there, what's happened with the cat, you see that some people will say the cat died, it's dead, okay, it's dead, the cat no longer available, it's dead. Some people will say no, it's still alive, the cat is very resilient, it's still alive. All right, so what a trader or gambler will say, like the scientist said, he said that until you open the box, the cat is dead and alive at the same time. Can you imagine what it says? So he says that, again I'm repeating, until you open the box, the cat is dead and alive at the same time. Okay, it's a probability. And that is the mentality of a trader, that is the mentality of a gambler. Okay, that's how a real trader thinks, in terms of probability. So that is why it is so difficult for a normal person to be profitable, because we go to a conclusion. We say that, okay, US30 will drop. If it doesn't drop, we get hurt inside. We get, angry. We get frustrated. I'm wrong. How can it possible? It should be dropping. But a trader thinks in terms of probability. What a trader will think in this scenario of a cat is that he will not have his own mind. He will look at how many percentage of people say 76% people, let's say, dead, 34% people says alive. So he will be in this side. He will say that it's a probability, could be dead and could be alive. So similarly, it's a probability US30 could drop and could go up. You might say, okay, what makes a difference for me in trading? It will make a huge difference. In that case, you will not believe forex wizard anymore, and that is what I want from you. Got it? Because you know that if you are a trader, you will not believe forex wizard anymore, and I don't want you to believe me, because once you believe me, you start to take a big risk based on what I said, and then you start to lose money. Okay, so that is the key aspect of being a trader, to understand the concept of probability. Okay, you have to be very confident. You see that I say very confidently, I'm confident, I know that. You have to be confident, you have to keep faith on your strategy, but at the same time you have to be on the side of probability, that anything can happen. The cat can be dead and alive at the same time. Okay, understand it, then you never will lose money anymore in trading. Now let's look at gold, that what happened with this one. In the meantime, guys, go to the description area, visit the website. Okay, I'll be really appreciating if you join Forex Trading Wizard Academy, if you want to learn more about our strategies, and if you want to support in other way, there is a way, let's say you can join Ever Trade, the link in the description area, and deposit some money, at least $100, trade it. They are regulated they have a tight spread and commission. Best broker you'll ever find, and also use my link, you will get a discount on your you'll get a discount. So let's look at now what's happening with this one. Okay, Angelo is also a day trader. Yeah, of course. Steve says, Coach, this is my second week of joining lifetime plan. I feel like I made my best decision after learning the great news and price action and middleman trading strategy. Stephen, thank you very much. Thank you. And that's the goal of, as I told you, that this is the main goal of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to help the trader to become independent, to learn the best trading strategy you ever will find in this industry. Also check out on US30, look at it. Is this trading halal? Yeah, of course, trading is halal. Why not halal? Absolutely halal. Okay, absolutely. Okay, of course, because see, it's a business, isn't it? It's not gambling. I'm just telling, it's a language. It's not gambling, it's a business. See, life itself is a gambling. Okay, life itself is a gambling. You can't predict. You can't. Can you tell me certainly what will happen? Uncertainty. Okay, trading is basically you're investing. Investing is not. It's absolute. What you are doing is basically you're buying and selling, right? Instead of buying, so if you buy Apple, go to a shop and then sell. Let's say you bought Apple with $10, okay, and then go to the shop, you sold it with $15, you made money $5, right? Same thing. Now instead of going to the shop, you are doing on virtually on your PC or on your phone, okay. When the price is coming down, you are buying, and when price is going up, you are selling. Okay. Quantum probability, quantum is, yeah, of course, sir. You are you an American? Peter, Peter, I'm a global citizen. Okay. I'm from everywhere. I live in Sydney, but I'm like you, like everyone else. Okay. Thank you very much for asking. So let me look at, we see the dollar CAD. CAD is getting a little bit of stronger. So what I think that we see some getting against CAD or dollar, but dollar yen should remain bullish for me. Okay, even it could consolidate in this zone, but for me it is bullish. Okay, I'll remain bullish until I see good movement to the upside. Like if, for example, if we can keep this, it will happen. This is the weekly candle on dollar yen, and the main confluence for me on the weekly perspective is this pin bar is above this weekly resistance. You see back to back quite a few weeks. If you go to the daily, the price is above this level, and let's say now we see dollar yen having some push up. That's good for us. Okay. All right, guys. So dollar yen for me now we entered the trade is almost there. Okay. Okay, anyway, so let's look at now. Okay, US30, we are getting a candle close. Okay. Okay, on gold. All right. EuroCAD, you remember that trade that we opened yesterday? If you hold it, look at this, what happened. You see the prediction that Forex Wizard did yesterday. This is what I told you, right? Look at this one here now, EuroCAD, what happened with that? We closed it because of the news, but see, what I say is, anyone you didn't see this trade yesterday, as soon as we opened and the market opening, I would request you, because if you review yesterday's stream, it's a great learning for you. It's not that I want to show you something. It's a great learning. You see by your own eyes how the trade worked out. You see that when this candle formed, that's what I told, that EuroCAD will drop. And as I told you, I don't trade structure, I trade candle. Okay, I trade candle by candle. You see, for those who ask me about the scalping, you see that now what happened. Now review yesterday's session and you will see you open this trade in the live session, and this result is on our YouTube live streaming. So guys, I need a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. This all those trade we gained this month so far, not this month, the whole month, in the last 30 days, 4.5% gain only on YouTube live. Okay, and in our this week alone in our forex trading wizard academy, we have gained 8.8%. okay, and this is the real result. You can see all of them in our forex trading wizard. So once you learn, if you join our forex trading wizard academy, you will receiving trade signal like that, learning our strategy, you know that. And this trend following indicator that gave me the signal for buying dollar yen, you will be also able to access that in your trading view. And we are making it for MT4 platform as well soon. So, and also there is a risk management tool which is available for all of them. If you want to join, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website. Okay, and you can find, and at the same time, after you join, am I telling you, first you join forex trading wizard academy. After you join, if you are from some countries such as tier 1 countries, Australia, South Africa, or Singapore, or any kind of countries that is tier 1, if you join ever trade with $1,000 deposit in your trading account, you will get your full subscription back to your account directly from forex trading wizard academy. So literally you will get everything for free. Okay, so I will invite you to join. Everything in fact is yours. Okay, so let's look at now what's happening. Okay, US30 has a big drop, and you can see that US30 or NAS100 basically has created. And yesterday when this candle was forming, you remember this is what I said, that after this one the price is likely to drop, and did it. Okay, now on US30, what I see that the price has created this absolutely nice looking head and shoulder. You can see that there is a head and shoulder has been formed on US30. Now what I think that after closing of this, even 1-to-1, this bearish engulfer could be a good trading opportunity on US30. Okay, but I will not be opening any more new position as we are running a trade on dollar yen, and we will stick to it, which is where we have opened the trade. Okay, it's in the entry point, but it's going up, it's going in the direction. That's the best thing for us. Okay, Federal speaker in 16 minutes. Okay, so if Fed speaks in 16 minutes, the pair could be volatile, guys. So dollar yen, where we have entered the trade, again I'm telling you, so if you close it, if you didn't manage the risk, I will tell you to close it now, so you will not lose anything. Guys, this is the most important part that you need to understand in trading. Always manage the risk. Okay, if you don't know how to create calculate the lot size, and if you don't have a lot size calculator, then go to this website called myfxbook.com. Okay, myfxbook, it's a free website where you can find this position size calculator. Okay, so euro, let's say dollar yen, if we take this, if you consider this trade that you opened from here, just telling you how you can calculate the lot size. So we have 3 times profit target on this one. Now if we around 55 pip stop loss. So you will find this currency pairs, okay, USDJPY, USDJPY account currency, USD account size is whatever you have, could be $500, $5,000, 5 million, no problem. This ratio 1%, 55 pip stop loss, and you will buy 0.01 lot. Could be different if your account size is bigger, let's say $10,000, and then it will change to 0.26 lot. Okay, so we see some movement on dollar during the Fed speak. We might see some volatility, guys. Okay, so GBP USD, as I told you, after this bearish engulfer, the price now pushing down. Okay. GJ doing the same thing. So I think now GBP USD is preparing for melting. Okay, it's preparing for a melting. With that said, dollar yen is going up, that's good, but I think GBP is very weak, so it is still possible to open a position on GBP USD short trade, but I don't want to double up the dollar pairs again. So if you didn't open dollar yen, could be position for GBP USD, but dollar yen for me is my favorite because it's a very strongly bullish market now. It has a very long consolidation, and we see the resistance is broken. The price is above this resistance, created a middleman. This is a middleman. Okay, so if you don't know middleman, probably you have heard first time. Middleman is a forex trading user academy discovery where we have a specific strategy around this middleman as well. Okay, so let me look at all the pairs quickly, guys, to see what's happening. Dollar yen, dollar, all those pairs, CAD, CHF. UAUD. So Euro CAD is melting. Euro NZD, Euro dollar, NZD USD, GBP CAD. Okay, so that's nice looking. Push down. Gold, I'm just looking at all of them to see actually in fact what they are doing. Okay, so we see US30 and NAS100 a massive drop as expected. So USD CAD, I think that finally will push up. CAD is a little bit of stronger, and that is why it's trying to go up. Okay guys, so let me look at the chart. What's happening? Our price action signals on the 5 minutes 15 minute charts reliable. James, yes, reliable if you can pick the right signal. Okay, if you can pick the right signal, yeah, absolutely reliable. Okay guys, USDSGD, this one is a bullish signal. Okay, so all those pairs USD. Now USDSGD, you see that this candle is absolutely nice looking bullish engulfer. Okay, it's a bullish signal for me. It's a nice looking bullish signal, and we could potentially see a move in this direction on USDSGD. Is forex factory dependable? What do you mean by forex factory dependable? Okay, so what to sell on gold? Please tell us scenarios. Okay, we'll take a look at it. So please check gold. What is going on? Dollar yen intraday. Yeah, that's on Fed Powell speaking. Okay, so let's look at gold. Now gold, guys, we have seen first of all one time a drop. Now this candle is going to, this is the 4-hour candle. Okay, previous hour, this is the bearish candle on gold. Let me look at 4-hour. What I think that the way the price action form, it's bearish. Okay, what I'm expecting for the gold to now on the closing of this candle. If this one goes up, okay, I think that as a pending order around this zone will be a nice looking sell setup for gold to target, let's say something here. Gold is bearish, but what I'm expecting is to close a little bit above, okay, and then we can place a pending order here, stop loss above this, take profit like that. Yeah, gold is bearish. This, after the closing of this candle, we might see some uprise, but for me it's highly bearish. Okay, so euro dollar, euro and so all those pairs are dollar yen. Yeah, it's looks like that we took the right trade. Let's keep it running. Once it will be able to break this high, okay, it will continue to grow. Now if let's say this weekend the price is in a sideway, okay, still what might happen in the opening of the new trading week, we even might see a gap opening, or we could see a little bit of down, gap down, and then could continue to go up. Okay, even it could create a candle like this. That could be an awesome trading opportunity. I like setup. USD as GD also same thing. All of them are bullish. So to me, gold, dollar, set for a bullish move again, guys. Except dollar CAD is a little bit of down, is because CAD is stronger. But for me, you see that this weekly candle is still bullish. I think that even later today, okay, when the Fed will speak, we could potentially see that dollar CAD is going up. Okay, for me it's bullish now. If it comes down, that could give us another trading opportunity. So gold, you see that gold is going up a little bit. So for me, the sell point for gold is here. Closing, see this doji, the price should go up again, at least to this level. So 1705 could be a sell point, keeping stop loss high. So if we sell from here, stop loss here, take profit before above this candle. Okay, above this candle could be 1 to 1, could be a high probability trade on gold. Okay, dollar CAD coming to a zone. You see there is a 20 period moving average. What I think that after touching this, we might see that it is going up again. Okay, guys. So let me look at. Would you tell us about middleman candle, sir? Thank you, Roger. Ask. Would you tell us? Okay, middleman. Let me tell you what is middleman. We have a specific strategy, as I mentioned, that teach our student. But what is a middleman is that, let's say, when you see a candle, let's say like that, okay, which is significantly, now you see candle always like that, but why it is a middleman, I'll tell you. it has a role. Okay, so I explained that role in a YouTube video. You can, if you didn't watch that, I will suggest you to watch that video. So when you see candle like that, okay, in a specific area, not always you see a candle always like the dodgy pin bars, okay, but when you see a candle in a specific area, okay, that candle is a huge probability for trading opportunity. And that one candle, the always trading that candle, you can make a really good profit from the market. Now, as I told you before, that only forex trading wizard academy will focus on trading candle. No one, even everybody will tell that no, don't trade candle, only trade big structure. Yeah, that's true, but we are such a focused and maintain such an accuracy that we can trade candle. And you have seen yesterday, I'm not saying that something you should need some time to justify. You see that Eurocad, when this candle formed, I know that it's gonna happen. USD NHS, you remember the trade that we took in this live session? USD NHS on this one formed. I opened it in this live session a trade 1 to 2, which worked out well. When euro dollar trade, in all this in live session, you remember euro dollar, when this, which one, that one, I think, let me tell you, when this candle formed in this live, all those in live session, if you review the previous live session, you will see all of them, right? It's a winning trade. When this candle formed, I know that it's gonna drop, so we trade candle, okay? And that's easy to understand, practical, and that is what a trader deserves to become. And that is why you see that so many traders in the world, so many retail trader is failing because of that, because they don't get the right education. Okay, you see that forex trading wizard academy, I'm telling you, it's going to be the world. It's already huge. Okay, see, when there is a time comes, there is something new created. When there was a crisis in internet, Alibaba has been founded. Okay, when there was a crisis in technology, Elon Musk founded his I think it's Zell or something like that .com, that turned into PayPal. Forex Trading Wizard Academy came to this platform is to create trader, to prove that forex trading is not difficult. It's made for them, and it's created easier. And this is the goal of this academy. There will be a day when Forex Trading Wizard Academy will establish that trading is not hard. Okay, it's because of the lack of communication with the trader, with the one who is giving the education, or the miseducation. The first miseducation is given is that you always have to put a big risk to reward. No, wrong. Okay, trading is all about probability. Even with, let's say, like that trade, you see that, let me tell you, like that trade, you can take this trade, okay, with how many people? Let's say with 120 people stop loss, 86 people profit. Absolutely perfect trade to take if it has a probability. Okay, so you always have to think in terms of probability, not in terms of risk to reward. Okay, this is the things that not developed in this industry, and that is why traders are so confused. And another thing is, you can trade with stop loss. That's true, everybody. I also trade with stop loss, but when you are experienced, you can trade with mental stop loss, but not now. There are many things that stage by stage will come, so that you can become the smartest trader in this world. So I told a lot, there is a lot to take from this academy. You see that the dollar yen is going up now, which is looking like that picking up, and it's moving in the direction that we have opened the trade, and I absolutely looking forward this instrument to go up, to give you guys some profit, and also to get some profit in my account also. Okay, and we see that British pound US dollar also has dropped. Okay, that's good. As I told you, dollar is getting stronger, and we definitely will have some good profit on all of them. See, I didn't tell the full story that I started. I forgot that. As I told you that when I was at the age of 15, I drawn to that gambling, and that I abused. And when I was abused, I suppressed that traits, not traits, that quality, okay, attributes, traits. Because when you are forced to suppress any traits, it turns into shadow. So the shadow is a concept explained by Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist, in 1908 or something like that. So he said that if you suppress any quality that you have, it will turn into shadow. Okay, and that trait, that quality that I had as a trader, I suppressed that. Because of that, and it turned into shadow, and that shadow I had to carry along in my adulthood. I was suffering everywhere I was going. Okay, I was not happy with my job. I was feeling stressed, and I'll show you the real proof of that. Let me show you. You see that I'm showing everything in my PC. Don't look at everything in my magic image. Where is my image? Okay, you see that I was like broke. Look at this. Can you see my face? And can you uh, can you can you relate this man with me? See how much uh, this is what I was: broke, depressed, broken man, almost uh, quit the life. Okay, I almost tried to commit suicide few times. And then look at this, what happened in 7. I had a trigger inside me after this big. Look at this. Sorry, I'm not allowed to show these people's face. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so in 7 months to 8 months time, I had that trigger, and I ran a marathon. Okay, I became like a crazy man. I forget about everything. And then I realized that okay, I'm born in this world. You see that this is my result on this marathon in Sydney running festival. From that big fat man, I ran the marathon of 9. I became 950th of that 1 hour race. So that things come with when you integrate the quality that you have. So all of this, the conclusion is that find out who you are. Okay, do not let circumstances to control you. Become who you are, and if you are a trader, become a trader. Okay, we'll look at it. How to trade cross currencies in Indian legally? Okay, that's a good question. I don't know how guys are you doing forex trading? Okay, please tell me how to do forex trading. What are we talking about? Forex cannot be shit. Okay, anyway, let's look at our dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, I strongly believe that this trade will work out. Let's keep running on this one here, and you can see that AUD CAD and Usdjpy, AUD and ZD, UCAD. Okay, so we see some movement as expected. Okay, now as I told you, after gold open we see drop, everything is coming down. So I'm almost at the end of this session, guys. So we see the dollar yen is going up. Now we are in some profit. And do you want me to stay a bit longer to see what happened with dollar yen, or you want me? Okay, let's keep a little stay a bit time to see what happening, guys. In the meantime, as I mentioned, if you want to learn my strategies, want to be part of forex trading wizard academy, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website, join our lifetime membership program. I will invite you to learn our strategies and become an independent trader. At the same time, if you want to support forex trading wizard academy, if you are looking for a trusted regulated broker, you can use a link in the description area for Ever Trade. They are globally regulated. Okay, tight spread, zero commission. You can trade everything, all instrument, all crypto, indices, and forex. Okay, let's keep moving then. Stay a bit more time. Let's see, talk. I feel good. Today's weekend, I feel good to stay with traders no matter what. So dollar yen, we see some push up, and I'm expecting, you see this middleman, that is where all this world started. So this is the half of the story that I told you. After I had that awakening, I basically left the job, full-time job, because the job that I was doing is basically is not for me. I started to realize it was extremely stressful, and there is another disaster started when I started to lose money. Okay, and as I told you, so, and from that place I created this forex trading wizard academy, and I came, see, until I die I'm gonna carry that along. And this is going to be the largest trading academy in the world. No matter what, I'm gonna move forward, whatever comes in front of me, pushing aside. So I want to create traders, because I know what it is now, exactly what a trader need. So that this is my purpose on earth. So let's look at now, guys. Gold, what's happening with this one? All right, so you can see that gold has created a head and shoulder. Okay, gold candle close, and what I think that gold will do, you see that we might see a little bit of upward movement. We'll test this 20 period moving average. Okay, and then from here we could potentially see a drop. And if you look at the bigger picture on gold, what we see, that basically gold has created this. Because I'll just take a break just for 1 minute please, and I'll come back. Just a 1 minute break and I'll come back. Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your patience. So let's look at now what happened with dollar yen. Okay, it came down again. Okay, so the price is moving in that direction as expected. As this one is giving us, so see that the way I look at market. Let's review that trade again, dollar yen. You can see that, always keep in mind when you see an important level of resistance, let's say something like that. Okay, let's say resistance like this, okay, in an uptrending market. So how do you know that this resistance will be broken or not? If you see the price like this, you see that first time a push came back down, okay, and then another push came back down, push came. So when you see the price is creating series of high and low, okay, that's the sign that this resistance might be broken. But always keep in mind, you could potentially see a spike down like that before breaking. It's a liquidity gap. Once it will go there, again it will not break straight away. What it might do, it might come for another spike, smaller, and then it breaks. So all these have dark dollar yen. Look at this one here. You see, first of all, with this resistance came back down, went above, came back down, went above, and then came back for this liquidity grab, okay, and then when they are created another liquidity grab, inverted head and shoulder, and then we have seen the dollar yen basically has broken out of this resistance. Now the price is currently above this level of resistance, okay, above this level of resistance here. You can see that there is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So with that said, okay, the price above this resistance, and also you see there is an inverted head and shoulder. Now there is also another inverted head and shoulder here. So with that in mind, we sincerely can expect dollar yen to continue to push in this direction, and I'm hopeful that it will go. If it doesn't go, just let it go, no problems at all. So yeah, that's the thing with dollar yen. Let's look at GJ. Now GJ and GU both are bearish, okay, they created a bearish engulfer followed by retracement, now pushing down. So both of them are bearish, and yeah, so Aussie dollar also same thing, bearish. You see that after going up, now coming down. So yeah, that's the thing, guys. I'm almost at the end of this session. I sincerely believe that, guys, you guys and girls enjoyed this session. So just quickly before I wrap up, this is the result that this week's in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, okay, and this is the result for YouTube live for the 1 month, and we'll keep track everything. If you want to learn my strategy, tomorrow I will be releasing my weekly Forex forecast also. If you want to learn our strategies and also trade with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, I will invite you to visit the website. And also if you want a trusted regulated broker, you can find a link also in the description area. You can join Ever Trade. You can start with as minimum as 100. Once you fund the account, they will support our academy, and literally you get a good broker with discount in it. Thank you very much. Discount is a bonus once you use the link. So with that said, I'm gonna end this session, guys. Do you allow monthly subscription following from Zambia? Yeah, of course, Kismat, absolutely. There is 3 options available. You can go to Okay, David, very good. No problem. Thank you very much. David, you can use the live chat in the website. We might find an alternative way if you want to join. Come to the live chat, we'll talk, and I'll try to find an alternative way to get you on board. If you have any other question, you can ask anyone. So let's look at, I see that there is a big chat here. Thank you very much. With that said, guys, I'm wrapping up this session. I might start a session on Sunday also, based on the timing I have the family also, just for the preparation for next day. If I schedule that live stream, you will see that. In that case, we might see, otherwise we'll see on Monday. In the meantime, this weekend I'll be releasing 2 very important strategy video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and also press that bell button on Sunday and also on Saturday. Make sure, guys, you stay there and watch them. This will really helpful in your trading. I'll see you. Thank you very much.